Abusia Pem TV so ne me show like it. Drop your comment na share video na any say ansa na menkensi ebesi bitiase no na enam dia asase aka kire no ene ti se wo tumi sunsun wa na bobidia na ene na Osumudom a ono ene ye brefiata no asu kankane ti amono ne Takyiwaa Komfo a chese wonam aduru so na manso achi amanfo enkwa. Our cherished viewers, I welcome you to Pem TV. I am your favorite darling boy, Argentina. If you're watching me, please, we are taking you into a very interesting topic that we have entitled Mysteries of Nature. And we are going to delve into it by presenting to you our typical African cultural heritage. Our cherished viewers, I welcome you to Pem TV. This is your favorite darling boy, Argentina. And if this is your first time, please subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and also don't forget to drop your comment. Busia, say you try and come to channel so na Osumudom a dodo no ani mi say wati anankanuru patabibi atakwaji kwa bobo no ahuna bobiri ahuna nyankwa ono na dodo no ankasa ehuna na omagitwi na omobehwe enmunyam netumi a wodi edi dwuma eniti nana Osumudom ene ne dom eye nana oti anankanduro Osumudom a chese abusumiasa ugodi krampo a we befide ene me pese yesua ade efiri nananom asum mu enam se oba nananom sumu a enye ahohomsem anase tumi a omokire enko na ema omo edanso na emom kroye. Our cherished viewers, I welcome you to Pem TV. I am your favorite darling boy, Argentina. If you're watching me, please kindly subscribe, like, and share our videos. Please, we are taking you into a very interesting topic that we have entitled Mysteries of Nature. And we are going to delve into it by presenting to you our typical African cultural heritage that goes on in Ghana. Many parts of Ghana, we celebrate the cultural festival that keeps the African traditional heritage, and that is known as African traditional religion in Ghana. And this draws a lot of people from all over the world, from all walks of life. People partake in this and they experience the forces of nature and the energies that you have never experienced before through the African traditional religion and practices. Keeping the worship of our forefathers has been the core mandate of many Ghanaian traditional priests, and this is an annual festival that goes on in various locations. In this video in particular, we present to you Nana Osumudom of Wenchi and Nana Antwiwaa of Nkransa. Nana Antwiwaa paid a courtesy call on Nana Osumudom, and there were a lot of rituals, activities that took place in Wenchi. So this collaborative relationship and this form of worship is much more adorned, is much more appreciated by the entire world. All Africans are doing their best to keep the unity through their identity, through their cultural heritage. And this is why all over Africa, you see people coming together and celebrating that which was instituted by God right from creation and what has been worshipped, or the form of worship by their ancestors. So all this form of worship that our ancestors have been practicing, and people all over the world, most people and the younger generations around the world do not know much about Africa. So when you talk of African identity, it includes our food, our dress, our costumes, our culture, our language. Everything about Africa identifies us. And we cannot put away the form of worship that our ancestors
have instituted to identify Africans with nature and with their God. So please stay tuned as I present to you Nana Osumudom from Wenchi in Ghana, and he's popularly known because of his deities, his gods such as Brefiatano, Framasedia, Asu Kankane, a whole lot of them. You can mention of Diamono. These are forces who exhibit strong energy, strong power. And because of that, we have taken upon ourselves to project the image of Nana Osumudom on our platform because he is a true traditional priest who upholds the customs and also teaches the people around the knowledge of the truth and the way of our worship so that nobody will deceive you along the line. So, we extend our greetings to Nana Osumudom. Stay tuned, subscribe, and don't forget to enjoy the music behind.
na ifa no free ba eh.
Kau kurang bini wa. Ada ni gaji. Ada mula mula.
Ada atra mukuru bini wana.
Shut this, you know, when you're holding, you remember, but whatever I